So thank you, Raju sir, for organizing this instruction course and for inviting me for the 3D part of it. I was always interested in 3D from childhood. I would always, look at the 3D pictures, the stereograms, which used to come in the Young World long back. That is the supplement for the Hindu newspaper. And I was fascinated by that. And that is how I learned to do parallel view and cross eye view and all that. So I would just start the presentation without much further ado. So financial interest, not really, but I have made a free bunch of apps. One of them is the 3D Atlas of Ophthalmology, which is available for free on the Android Google Play Store. If anybody wants, you can just search 3D Atlas of Ophthalmology. And of course, 3D is essential. Binocularity is essential in ophthalmology, starting from slit lamp biomicroscopy of cornea, anterior chamber, fundus examination with 90 diopter lens, 70 diopter, indirect ophthalmoscopy, and of course, as what we have been seeing, eye surgery. I'm going to concentrate more on the clinical part and less on the surgery. Why smartphone? Because I love smartphones. Most of my innovations are in smartphones. And because the best camera is the one that is always with you, it is always accessible, it is portable, you can quickly do editing, sharing, and it is affordable. So you don't have to think about a 4K medical grade camera. You can just get a 4K smartphone camera, which is probably, I think, 15 to 20,000. That is not much. So 3D Atlas of Ophthalmology, let me just quickly go over it. I have made it such that we have stereo side-by-side, SBS, that is stereo side-by-side views. Here, if you do a parallel live view, you can do it, or you can put it into a virtual reality box, VR headset box, and this will show up as 3D. It is quite difficult to do the parallel view if you're doing it for the first time. So if you put in a VR box, everybody can see it. So this is some of the sample images, and these are taken by my phone, my smartphone, which was, I think this was a OnePlus 3T, which is several generations old. So this is not even a new generation smartphone. It's a mid-end smartphone of several years back. These are some fundus photographs, which are not by me, but I have combined into the red-blue glasses mode. So for viewing this, you will need the red-blue anaglyph glasses, which are also available, which are quite cheap. I think it's around 200 rupees for a pair of glasses. These are retina photographs, which are from the Ophthalmic Photographer Society, which have been combined into a red-blue anaglyph. So this is a 3D Atlas of Ophthalmology. So coming to how I made these things. So you just need these things to view it. This is the red blue anaglyph glasses and the Google Cardboard box. You just need, you can use several options. So one option which I tried, in fact, was I got a 3D camera from China. This was quite some time back before we had a big problem. So I was able to get a 3D camera and I was able to record external videos in 3D. I'll come to that. With a single smartphone and an app, I was able to take not simultaneous, like consecutive photographs and combine them into 3D, which can be viewed in several ways. If you have a side-by-side format, you can convert it into anything you want. And another one is to use two smartphones simultaneously with a software. One of them is Camerada, and that allows you to combine the video from the two smartphones into a 3D view. This is from the VR camera which I use. This is just a gross view of Arvind Eye Hospital eye camp during my fellowship there. So basically, just want to show you the left and right side by side view from the single camera. So actually there's two cameras, but the output for this camera is this. So when you record from this into the smartphone, you get this output. You don't have to worry about alignment or anything because it is taken care in the hardware itself. Then, of course, the single smartphone only for photographs. And then this is a splitter. So Dr. Raju, I think this is probably one of the principles you have used. It's a splitter which splits the camera view into two, and each side of the the beam splitter can take this. So this is what we can do for surgeries. For surgeries, you can have two separate smartphones. This was published in 2016 by Gallagher et al. And they used two smartphones and recorded the surgeries in both separately and combined them into a single video and used it in a VR box. VR box, you can also use it in a 3D TV if you have one. This particular one is commercially available now. This is 2019, I believe, and this fits into an eyepiece of a microscope, and it is available commercially. So if you record the video in this can be transmitted to a 3D TV, and if the 3D TV has the option to get a side-by-side A-B video, it can convert into 3D. Unfortunately, 3D TVs are not commercially available much now. And as Sir pointed out, there are several 3D eye surgery videos in iTube, and some of them, I mean, all of them can be seen in Anaglyph or SBS side-by-side VR headset view. And also, there are not only in iTube, it's also there in YouTube. Several videos by several great surgeons on YouTube. So once again, please download the app, get 3D glasses and the VR headset so that you can help in ophthalmic education in 3D. So take home point, this is 3D photographs, the red, blue anaglyph. These are very low cost systems and it is easily available. Thank you. And I would like to acknowledge my institutions where I have studied: JIPMER, Arvind Eye Hospital, Pondicherry, Shankar Nethralaya, Little Flower Hospital, Ramchandra Medical College, and Western Eye Hospital, which is my father's. Thank you.